Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to save PowerPoint as a JPEG. First, open PowerPoint on your computer. A blank presentation will appear on the screen. You will see one default slide with a title and subtitle placeholder. Now go to the top left corner of the screen and click on the File tab. This will open the Backstage view where you can see options such as New, Open, Save, and Export. Look for the option called Save As. When you click on it, you will see different locations where you can save your file, such as your computer, OneDrive, or other folders. Choose a location on your computer, for example, Documents. Next, a Save As window will appear. At the bottom of this window, you will see a field called Save As Type. Click on the drop-down menu. From the list of formats, scroll down until you find JPEG File Interchange Format. Select it. Now type in a name for your file in the File Name box. Once you are ready, click on the Save button. If you have many slides and want them all saved as images, choose All Slides. After you make your choice, PowerPoint will create JPEG image files. If you saved all slides, each slide will be saved as a separate JPEG inside a folder. If you save just one, you will get a single JPEG file. That is how you save a PowerPoint slide as a JPEG image. Thanks for watching.